Step into the world of flawless beauty with the folding makeup mirror, your compact and stylish companion that brings the glamour of a Hollywood dressing room to your fingertips. This isn't just a mirror, it's the unsung hero of your beauty routine, ready to unfold and transform any space into your personal beauty sanctuary with the elegance of a makeup artist's touch. Imagine yourself backstage, and your folding makeup mirror becomes the spotlight enhancing your beauty routine. Crafted with more glamour than a red carpet event, this mirror is set to make your makeup application as enchanting as preparing for a grand entrance. It's like having a personal beauty assistant, reflecting your radiance as you unfold its cosmetic magic. And let's talk about adaptability. This mirror isn't just for your vanity, it's the solution for your on-the-go touch-ups, perfecting your look in any setting or lighting. It's like having a beauty companion that adapts to your lifestyle. No more second-guessing your makeup in dimly lit spaces or relying on bathroom mirrors alone. What sets this folding wonder apart? It's not just about reflection, it's about adding a touch of sophistication to your beauty routine. No more compromising on precision or dealing with inadequate mirrors. The folding makeup mirror is here to make every detail crystal clear, folding neatly into a compact size when not in use. It's like having a mirror that understands the art of practicality. Moreover, this makeup mirror is a space-saving genius. In a world where every inch of your beauty station matters, it's the cosmetic virtuoso that disappears into your purse, handbag, or travel kit, always ready to unfold when your beauty needs a touch-up. It's like having a personal beauty assistant, ensuring you stay fabulous without compromising on convenience. But there's still more. Also, the folding makeup mirror is your key to perfect application. You can do flawless makeup regardless of the illumination around you because to its adjustable angles and often integrated LED lights. It's similar to owning a mirror that not only reflects beauty, but also amplifies it. And do not be surprised if you are among those who doubt its durability. This makeup mirror's robust construction can withstand the rigors of applying makeup without sacrificing its ability to fold, making it the perfect addition to any elegant beauty regimen. I appreciate you viewing, and please remember to like and subscribe.